This is Sandi Kruise Insurance Training, talking about 2-year renewal periods for continuing education in California. In California, license terms last for 2 years, and in between those 2 years is when you need to do CE. After every 2-year period, you are due to take 24 hours of CE credit before your license renews again. In this 24 hours, you're required to take some specific training such as ethics, annuities, long-term care, flood, partnership, homeowners, and anti-money laundering. With ethics training, it is required every renewal period, regardless of what you sell or what type of insurance license you have. Annuities training is required if you sell annuities. If you've never taken annuities training before, you are required to take an 8-hour initial training course. Every renewal period after that, you'll have to take a 4-hour refresher course to continue selling annuities. However, you can still take the 8-hour annuities training course if you wish. For agents selling long-term care insurance, you need a long-term care training every single renewal period. Agents in the business under 5 years, or who have been licensed under 5 years, are required to take this course every year for the first 4 years, meaning twice in each renewal period. After the 5th year, you only need it once per renewal period. For agents selling flood insurance, an NFIP required course, FEMA flood training course, is required. It is only needed once in an agent's lifetime. However, insurance companies may ask you to take it more than once. A partnership for long-term care course is required if you sell partnership policies, available through several carriers. This course must be done in classroom, not online or self-study, and must be taken only after taking the initial 8-hour course for long-term care mentioned earlier. You must take both the long-term care and the partnership courses in each renewal if you sell partnership long-term care policies. A homeowners insurance training course is required if you sell homeowners insurance in the state of California. It is a one-time requirement. Anti-money laundering training is required by the government. It mandates that insurance agencies have their agents take it. Agencies may only ask you to take it once in your lifetime, or more than that, depending on their own company policy. Sandi Kruise Insurance Training has a CE subscription that's good for 1 year, allowing you to take as many CE courses as you wish. You can even use the CE subscription to span over the 2-year renewal periods, covering more than one. An agent renews their license every 2 years. However, their CE subscription can span the gap, the last 6 months of one renewal and the first 6 months of another. Here's how a life and health licensee might use it. They might take ethics 4-hour, annuities 8-hour, 8 hours of long-term care, and anti-money laundering training in the first renewal, adding up to 24 hours of CE. Then they will wait, renew their license. Starting in the next renewal, they may take our 16-hour ethics course, our 8-hour long-term care course, and our 4-hour annuities course, adding up to 28 hours of CE, satisfying 2 renewals with 1 subscription, and that means they will not need any CE for 2015. Please note that partnership classes and other seminars will not be included in the subscription. Here's how a property casualty or fire licensee might use this subscription. They might take our 16-hour ethics, our 4-hour flood course for FEMA, our 4-hour homeowners valuation to add up to 24 hours of CE. Then they'll wait, they'll renew their insurance license, and after the license renews, they'll go ahead and take our 4-hour ethics and another 20 hours of elective credit for property or fire courses to reach their 24 hours or more. The CE subscription will allow you to take as many courses as you wish for a 1-year period. However, you cannot take the same course twice without repaying for the subscription. This is why we have 2 ethics courses, 2 annuities courses, and 2 long-term care courses. There are also dozens of other CE courses for elective credit available on the subscription. Hopefully this answers any questions. If you have any more, please give us a call at 800-517-7500 or go to www.cruise.com.